Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Let me discuss about the project path permutation codes for end-to-end transmission in ad hoc cognitive radio networks. Let me discuss about the abstract of the project. The main trend in wireless communication has been shifted from voice transmission to data-centric communication. This shift has caused an increase in the data rate requirements for future wireless communication system. These requirements result in need for large bandwidth being a limited and thus expensive resource. Wireless spectrum needs to be used efficiently for higher spectral efficiency. New transmission techniques as well as new dynamic spectrum allocation policies are needed. Cognitive radio is a promising approach for increasing spectral efficiency of wireless systems by exploiting advanced signal processing techniques and sophisticated transmission schemes. Cognitive radio devices allow to serve new wireless users within the existing crowded spectrum. Typically, a cognitive radio network is installed in parallel to an existing primary network. A legacy owner of the spectrum, the cognitive radio network adapts to its electromagnetic environment in order to limit or even avoid the disturbance to the primary network. In the existing system, routing can be established in a statistical manner by utilizing only the local information, meaning that some links in a route are allowed to be available occasionally, such that the control overhead can be greatly saved. In this project, the system proposed an end-to-end path permutation coded PPC transmission, in which one relay path is accessed at a time and the transmission is hopped among multiple relay paths. And also the system developed an efficient multiple tree joint pair decoding algorithm operating at the destination node, which jointly identifies the presence of erasure and the order of accessed paths so as to decode the data packet. Let me discuss about the data flow diagram for our process. Initially, the transmitted data are passed to the PPC encoding. PPC is the simultaneously transmitting multipath packets through multiple relay paths. End-to-end multipath PPC transmission only access one relay path at a time. This accessed path is selected based on the data sequence in the packet. Specifically, PPC encodes the data packet in two ways, that is by using the transmitted symbols with the quadrature amplitude modulation and by using a permutation array consisting of a set of path indices. The term permutation code comes from the fact that the PPC code word comprises these PAs. Next, in the quadrature amplitude modulation, the encoded PPC data are modulated using QAM, where 16-bit or 64-bit QAM are used. Next, in the IA50 block, the frequency domain signals are converted into time domain series. Next, in the cyclic prefix, where the CPR inserted into our transmitted data. By using the cyclic prefix, we can remove the intersymbol interference, that is ISI, at our data in the subcarrier indices. Next, the serial data are converted into parallel form, where the parallel to serial conversion logs are used, where the parallel data, that is subcarrier data, are converted into serial form. Next, these data are passed through the AWGN channel. Next, in the receiver side, after establishing a multipath relay paths, PTC coded packets are transmitted to different relay paths. The coded packet in each relay path is then amplified and forwarded towards the destination node. When the packet relaying between the nodes experiences a long end-to-end transmission latency, the packet is discarded, thus causing an erasure. Erasures also occur due to deep fading or to the imperfection of spectrum sensing, which results in severe interference or collision. In severe interference, when the coded packet is forwarded to a link occupied by the primary or other CR users, Next, in the encoding PPC, the system first denotes the CR as a PA set, which comprises all the possible R's permutation of all objects. We define the Hamming distance matrix D, whose I, jth component Dij is the Hamming distance between the ith and jth permutation. Next, in the receiver side, the inserted cyclic prefix are removed. Next, in the FFT block, where the time domain signals are converted into frequency form. Next, in the QAM demodulation, where the modulated signals are demodulated. Next, the decoding PPC. The system supports an efficient multipath tree JSD to jointly identify the presence of erasures and decode the data packet. Spear decoding is an efficient decoding algorithm that converts an exhaustive search into a constrained tree search and is generally applied for spatial multiplexing MIMO transmission at physical layer. To apply this algorithm to the decoding of the end-to-end PPC transmission, performance of the end-to-end PPC transmission evaluated and the analysis validated by means of Monte-Carlo cumulation. Simplicity: without much loss of generality, the noise power spectral density is assumed to be the same for all the time instants. After permutation subsets are chosen from those. For simplicity, we assume that the waiting periods at various time instances and the number of opportunities links in various relay paths are estimated. In the analysis part, the received data are received. With the help of send data, we can analyze the BER response and also SNR response of end-to-end PPC transmission using JSD. Let me discuss about the running procedure for our process. Select the main.m file in the current folder, write the pen and run for executing this process. And here the end-to-end PPC transmission hops among relay paths in the multipath routing are performed, in which path selection is done according to the data to be transmitted. Finally, the BER response are measured for various algorithms. Here VPPC transmission are used for selecting the best path. This process will take some time for executing. We obtain the result. This is the system model. Initially, the source and destination are placed, and these pink color nodes represents the relay node. The data are transmitted from source to destination through these paths, and this is the BER response for various number of nodes and also distance minimum between each relay paths, and this is the number of nodes, various row value and also the number of relay nodes, and this is the BER response for various SNR graph, and this is the BER response for various row value with the various minimum value, that is distance minimum value, and this is the PPC transmission algorithm for BER response for various row and also number of relay nodes, and this is the BER response for JSD method. Using JSD method, that is decoding algorithm, we can perform the BER response, and this is the BER response versus SNR graph for PPC method with the various D minimum value. And at the destination node, an efficient multiple tree JSD algorithm based on the optimal log map criterion is designed to jointly identify the erasures and decode the data. Thank you.